The story excerpt centers on Chandran, a student preparing for a debate on whether historians should be exterminated. A prominent theme is his struggle to maintain focus amidst distractions, friends like Ramu, interrupting him, classmate requesting notes, and the chaotic environment around him. This struggle aligns with the principles of mental discipline and concentration outlined in Patanjali Yogdarshan. Sutra reference: Yoga Chittavritti Nirodha, Sutra 1.2, Samadhipada. This sutra translates to, Yoga is the cessation of the fluctuations of the mind. In the story, Chandran strives to steady his mind for his debate preparation, but external interruptions repeatedly disrupt his focus. His experience reflects the challenge of achieving the mental stillness described in this sutra.
Sutra reference: Abhyasvaragyabhya tannirodha, Sutra 1.12, Samadhipada. This sutra states that the cessation of mental fluctuations is achieved through practice, abhyas, and detachment, vairagya. Chandran exemplifies this by retreating to his room and instructing his mother to prevent disturbances, demonstrating his attempt to practice his speech and detach from external distractions. These sutra references underscore Chandran's unintentional application of yogic principles to overcome distractions and prepare for his debate.
The excerpt also features a formal debate where Chandran argues in favor of exterminating historians, opposed by other speakers. This scenario connects to the emphasis on logical reasoning and structured argumentation in Gautam Nyaya Darshan, a philosophical system centered on epistemology and debate. Sutra reference: Vado nam yatrobhyorapi pakshiyoh sadhyasadhan sangate, Sutra 1.2.1, Adhyay 1. This sutra defines Vad, debate, as a discussion where both sides present their propositions and the means to substantiate them, aiming to discern the truth. In the story, Chandran and the prime opposer engage in such a debate, each offering arguments while the audience reacts, mirroring the Nyaya tradition of using debate to pursue knowledge.
The debate's structured format, with mere speakers, seconders, and audience participation, echoes the disciplined approach to argumentation outlined in this sutra. Examples from Ramayana and Mahabharata. To enrich the analysis, here are examples from Ramayana and Mahabharata that relate to the themes of focus, preparation, and debate in the excerpt.
Ramayana. Debate between Ram and Parshuram. After Ram breaks Shiv's bow to win Sita's hand, Parshuram challenges his worthiness. Their verbal confrontation is a debate-like exchange where Ram calmly defends his actions and identity. This mirrors Chandran's need to articulate and defend his position in the debate. Dialogue between Hanuman and Ravan. When Hanuman is captured and brought to Ravan's court, he boldly conveys Ram's message, while Ravan counters with his own rationale. This exchange resembles a debate, paralleling Chandran's efforts to argue against opposition.
Mahabharata. Bhagavad Gita dialogue between Krishna and Arjun. Before the Kurukshetra war, Arjun grapples with doubt, and Krishna engages him in a deep philosophical discussion. This dialogue, exploring duty and morality, serves as a debate that clarifies Arjun's perspective, similar to the intellectual exploration in Chandran's debate. Debate between Draupadi and Yudhishthir. After Yudhishthir loses everything in the dice game, Draupadi challenges his decisions and the concept of dharma. Their intense exchange reflects the contentious argumentation seen in Chandran's debate.
Yaksh Prashna episode with Yudhishthir. A Yaksh tests Yudhishthir with profound questions, and his insightful responses demonstrate wisdom gained through dialogue. This aligns with the story's use of debate to refine understanding. These examples from Ramayana and Mahabharata highlight how debate and dialogue explore complex ideas and establish truth, resonating with Chandran's experience in the excerpt.